Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy and today I have a Douyin inspired spring makeup look. This is my pre-shower makeup, but I always use a primer. This one is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have used this since high school and it's so good. I'm actually trying this e.l.f. Camel Concealer for the first time. I used to use the matte one, didn't love it because I have very dry skin, but this hydrating one is completely different. I will definitely be wearing this concealer again. You can see me talking throughout the video because I was talking to the camera, but my audio got messed up, so now it's a voiceover. I will be using cream contour today and no powder because, like I said, it's pre-shower makeup, so I'm not going to do everything, but I like to contour by my cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. When I contour my cheeks, I like to blend in a circle and blend up because I don't like to drag it down and make it look muddy. I'm going to blend out my nose contour and then I'm going to clean it up with a concealer. And this just brings back the highlight and cleans up the look. I will be using the ColourPop Gimme Butterflies and the Violet Hour by Ulta Beauty for eye makeup today. Honestly, I wasn't a fan of the Violet Hour palette, so if you have these colors in any other palette, that would be perfectly fine. I'm gonna go for a straight brow look today because, like I said, it's Douyin inspired. Starting off with the eye makeup, I'm going to go in with this purple and I'm going to apply it on my outer corner and I'm going to blend it in towards my crease. Mine doesn't look very good here because this palette isn't great, so it does look patchy, but you want to wing out the outer corner and blend the edges. With my finger, I'm going to tap in that light blue shadow. Now this came out really pretty and I did use a wet brush before and that didn't work out. I'm going to deepen up the crease with this dark brown shadow and I'm going to put that between the two colors that we just placed. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out the edges so that it doesn't look so harsh. This eyeshadow was kind of hard to move because it was from the Violet Hour palette. Using the ColourPop palette, I'm going to use that dark purple to deepen the outer V. This shadow for me pretty much saves the look because it blends so much better and it hides a lot of the mistakes. I also dragged that color to my lower lash line and now I'm highlighting my inner corner with this really light icy shade. I'm also going to use that to highlight my brow bone and my aegyo and also the tip of my nose. I really want the eyeshadow to be the center of attention, so today I'm just going to go for a thin wing just to clean everything up, and I feel like it always makes it look more put together. Just for a fun detail, I like to add white eyeliner to my looks. My eyeliner brush is getting a little bit old, so I'm going to go in with a thin brush and I'm going to blend out the lines. You can definitely focus on having really clean lines, but for me, I like that it looks almost like a paintbrush stroke. I also added that white line to my aegyo and I think that makes it pop even more. I'm using my favorite Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm using a really popular lash serum and it hasn't really worked for me because I have lashes falling out every single time I curl my lashes. For my bottom lashes, I like to pack on the mascara with the tip of the brush and then comb it out with the side of the brush, and this helps me just do the process a lot faster. I always use a liquid or cream blush first and then top it off with a powder blush. And today I'm using this peachy shade and I'm going over with a pale pink shade. This pale pink shade is my all-time favorite. My friends got it for me and I have not stopped using it since. My lashes are now on. I opted for a natural pair. The eyes are complete, so now to finish off the base, I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face. And one of my favorite things to highlight is my Cupid's bow. I think it looks so cute. For the base of my lips today, I'm going to be using this all over pink color, and I was smelling it because it smelled like jelly candy. I'm going to take that dark purple color that we put on our outer V to put on my inner lips, on top and bottom. And to top off the lips, I'm going to use a clear sparkly gloss, and I think that looks so cute. And that is the completed look. I love how sparkly it is, and I love that I played with the purples and the blues for springtime, but let me know your thoughts in the comments.
You guys, this is the aftermath of pre-shower makeup. I'm gonna clean everything up and I'm gonna go play Phasmophobia. And then I'll take this makeup off before I go to sleep.